So doing animation in XD is always fun, right? That's why I'm back with another video on Adobe XD animations. So welcome to You Explain. What's up everybody, this is Hadi and today I'm gonna show you how you can create this animation in Adobe XD. So this is a dashboard design of a digital platform somewhat called Analytica. Actually, a lot of digital product owners and companies wants to show their information to their customers in a very cool and representable way nowadays, like our social media platform. So that's why I am making a tutorial on this. And trust me, this animation stuff in backend interface designing is very demanding nowadays. So here in XD, first I will select the pen tool and draw two curved shapes lines on both sides. One line will be equal to the half circle and the other will be less than half circle, equal to the values of our percentages. Then I will increase the border size, change the color to orange and edges to round cap of all four lines. So now I will select the half circle lines on both sides and decrease the opacity to about 12%. As I set the length of both lines equal to the values of our data, now it's time to define the dashes and cap size. So here let's set the value to 250, which isn't enough, so let's increase it to 300. And for the second one, let's set it to 200, not enough. Let me zoom out and type 210. Perfect. So I will copy this artboard and now in the second artboard I will simply set the dash size equal to the gap size. So we are done with this part. Now go to the second part of this design, which is active users. Here, to make it very quick, I already created these lines which are very simple, as you know. So I will place them here. First select this shadow layer and decrease the opacity to 0. Then select the dark orange line and set the gap size to around about 800. So every time you are setting up the gap size, make sure that you only have one dot visible at the starting point. So here we have two dots visible, as you can see, so I will increase the value of gap. Now I will select the light orange line and do the same. So now I will copy this artboard, and here our next step is to set the dash size equal to the gap size. Copy the artboard again and make the shadow visible, which is our final transition. So here are all the artboards. So final step is to switch these state buttons to active and this one to deactive, because we need to use these buttons to switch between data representation graphs. So now it's time to prototype. Here connect the first artboard to the second. Trigger will be the time with 0 delay. Action type will be auto animate. Easing will be ease in out and time will be 2 seconds. Now for the active user dashboard, connect it to the next artboard and setting will be same as before. And for this one, just set the time to 0.2 seconds. And for the buttons, just connect this one to the first artboard and change the action type to transition, and animation type will be dissolve by default and duration will be 0.6 seconds. Now connect the other button to the first artboard like this and setting will be the same. So that's it. Let's play this animation. So this is it for today's videos, guys. Hope you like it. If you do, please like this video and comment below about the video, and of course subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel.